Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cabbage bhujia using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 medium cabbage, 2 medium onions, and a few common spices. Begin by finely chopping the cabbage and thinly slicing the onions. Also, have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste ready to go. This simple preparation sets the stage for a quick and flavorful dish. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or kadi over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add the thinly sliced onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown. Finally, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. It's time to add the star ingredient. Introduce the finely chopped cabbage to the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Give everything a good mix to combine. Now, let's add our spices. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and earthiness, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for a pleasant kick. Don't forget to season with salt to taste, usually around 1 teaspoon. Stir well to ensure all the cabbage is coated. Almost there. Cover the pan and let the cabbage cook on medium-low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and to ensure it cooks evenly. The cabbage should become tender but still retain a slight crunch. Once done, garnish generously with fresh, chopped coriander leaves. Serve your delicious homemade cabbage bhujia hot with roti, paratha, or as a flavorful side dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.